Welcome back to my channel. Today, our muscle is about neck muscle. And we will upload here in this channel one by one each of the neck muscle. And after we upload all the neck muscle, we're gonna upload also the video how to massage neck. Hey guys, you can request some video of muscle or you can request some massage technique that you want me to upload here. I can upload it. Just comment it and I will try my best to do it for you. And today our muscle is sternocleidomastoid muscle. The sternocleidomastoid is one of the two large muscles on the neck. The origin of the sternocleidomastoid muscle is on the sternum and the medial clavicle. So we will just attach it. The sternum is the central of the rib cage, front rib cage, and this is the medial clavicle. So our sternocleidomastoid is origin is on the sternum and medial clavicle. Then it goes to its origin, the mastoid process. The mastoid process. So it's look like that. The mastoid process is located in the lump on the back of our ear. So we can hold it and a bony lump that can feel behind lower ear. The action of cleidomastoid muscle bilateral is the flexion of the neck. And also the lateral flexion bilateral, and also rotation of the neck on the opposite side. Rotation of the neck on the opposite side. That is the action of the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Please subscribe to my channel.